Hi guys, my name is Balachandra, son of Gunasekharan. Today I am going to do my practical task 1, basic static analysis. Our task is basic static analysis examines a file without executing it. It allows us to identify whether the file recognized as a malicious as well as a potentially provide a basic information surrounding functionality. Basic analysis is the process of viewing a file that can be performed without looking at the actual code. Basic static analysis can determine whether a file is malicious, provide information about its characteristics, and sometimes provide information that can be used to generate a simple network signature. Basic static analysis is a simple and fast. It's this analysis I use a VirusTotal to make my analysis, and VirusTotal can be useful in detecting malicious content and also identifying false positives, normal and harmless items detected malicious by one or more scanners. Now I click choose the file to search for the file that I want to scan using VirusTotal. Okay, I just choose that file first and then press open, and then need to wait a while, and then we get the outputs. This is the overall result on of that I have to scan. Okay, I will start the detection option, which has 2 alerts from the snort and also 2 alerts from Suryachta. The result or the rest of the antivirus shows the undetected. And also no security vendors flagged in this file as a malicious. This size is 24.42 KB. One day ago, 2021 for 23 10 6 33 seconds UTC time. And then okay, step 4 is we'll continue with the details option. There are more deep details about the file, which is about basic properties, the history of the submission, name, PCAP network, trace info with overview, DNS request, snort alerts, and Suryachta alerts. Okay, firstly history. Our first submission is 2012 June 30th 11:30 90 seconds. Last submission is 2020 November 29 5:47 24 seconds. Last analysis is 2021 April 23 10 6 33 seconds. P network traffic PCAP, DNS remote shell PCAP, DNS and test file 1 PCAP, evidentia test 1 PCAP for PCAP. Okay, PCAP network trace info overview, file encapsulation in Ethernet, number of packet 131, data size 22 KB, start time 2005 January 14 250 60 seconds, file type PCAP, end time 2005 January 14 251 56 seconds, capture duration 99.732729 seconds. DNS request, Suryachta alerts. We got a lot of alerts here, and then we need to go the second one, 5 step number 5. Okay, that one is lastly is relations option, which is about the content domains, contacted IP address, PE resources, parents, and graph summary. For contacted domains show no detection for both domains, and also no detection in for the IP that is 63.215.91.200 of contacted IP address, but in PE resource the parents have been found the detection, which was the 30 out of 72 and scanned on the 30 May 2019. Then we need to know the domains detection 0/84, 0/84, and then contact IP address 0/84 US country, and then PE resource parents scanner 2019 May 30 detection 30/72, and then the graph summary. One contact IPS, two contact domains, one P resource parents. If you need to know the more details, you need to press the button, and then you need to sign up for the details you want to know more. And then thank you for the cooperation. Thank you so much for the opportunity to explain about this. Thank you.